Hi all, this is Dr. Beth Corbo and I'm going to give you a quick outline of the content of RDG 540 for this week. In this first week of the course, we will get to know each other and then begin our discussion of the importance of vocabulary in relation to literacy development. We will discuss how to create language-rich environments and how to directly teach vocabulary skills. You have just 3 assignments due this week. Look for this chart in your syllabus. It will help you make sure that you're on top of all your assignments. We begin the class with an examination of the relationship between oral language and literacy. This reading can be found in the 4th edition, Multisensory Teaching of Basic Language Skills. This book chapter describes the relationship between aspects of oral language and literacy, along with the similarities and differences between oral and print language. The chapter explains the role of various aspects of language impairment to literacy acquisition and performance, along with the dynamic interaction between aspects of language, working memory, executive function, and academic performance. You will not have an activity this week connected to the 2 readings you see on the screen. However, it's important that you read them carefully, as you will be using information gleaned from these in next week's discussion board. These introductory chapters provide a summary of critical background understandings necessary for teaching reading comprehension. Research connecting reading comprehension to classroom practices is cited along with an instructional framework for understanding the components of the blueprint. These chapters are amazing and so full of sound information. Please take your time with these chapters. Pull out your Post-it notes, mark up the margins, whatever you need to do, because there's a lot to digest in these first 3 chapters. In Stanovich's seminal article, he outlines the importance of strong early instruction in reading. He discusses how a robust early start in reading leads to children engaged in reading more than their less skilled peers and thus gaining strong language and comprehension skills. In this article, The Magic of Words, Newman and Wright share a rich knowledge base regarding early vocabulary development that informs us that the preschool years are the richest in terms of vocabulary development. This understanding also informs us that it's a crucial time to intervene and possibly ameliorate reading problems. Following your reading, you will complete an activity where you will create summary statements to solidify your understandings from Newman's article. We ask that you complete the Connect with Your Peers activity by Thursday, and that you respond to at least 2 of your peers by Sunday evening. Following your readings, you have 2 activities to complete. One of these is a retrieval practice, and the other a knowledge check. Both of these assignments assess your understanding of the contents of the course so far. It is important to begin your work on your reflective paper on vocabulary instruction. This paper is based on Beck's book, Bringing Words to Life, Robust Vocabulary Instruction. This book outlines the research on vocabulary instruction and discusses how teachers can directly teach vocabulary and comprehension skills. The authors provide clear direction to teachers on how to select words for instruction, explicitly teach word meanings, and create engaging learning activities that promote both word knowledge and reading comprehension. The reflective paper on vocabulary instruction is designed to measure your ability to analyze, synthesize, and construct your own thoughts about this content. This assignment will also demonstrate your writing and formatting skills, which are essential in a graduate program. You'll write a 4 to 5 page double-spaced reflective paper and summarize key findings described in the book. Your syllabus outlines a series of questions you need to be answered within this assignment. So let's look at your assignment chart one more time. You just have 3 assignments due. We ask that you connect with your peers activity by Thursday, and this time it's a flip grid, so something fun to try, and that you respond to 2 of your peers by Sunday evening. And following your readings, you have 2 activities to complete. One of these is a retrieval practice and the other a knowledge check. And remember that both of these assignments will check on your understanding of the content so far. That's it. Have a great week, and remember to contact your instructor if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you so much for listening.